Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Now, I will check your attendance. Giancarlo,
Present.
Shamel, present. Okay. So, our topic is let's learn how to tell time. Our objectives at the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify parts of a clock, hard hand, medium hand, and clock face, and tell and write time to the hour and half hour using analog and digital clock, and different day AM, which is morning, and PM, which is afternoon or evening. And also understand why being punctual is important. So I have a energizer. Please stand up and follow. Listening. Thank you. So, next. What do you see in the dance? Okay. Miss Adrian, what do you see in the dance?
They dancing like this and
Yes. So you have a reward. Other answer? Other answer? Sir Carlo.
clap.
Yes, it's a clap. Other answer? No, huh? So let's proceed. Let's count the number 1 to 12. Wait, I have a flashcard. 1,
One,
2,
two,
3,
three,
4,
four,
5,
five,
6,
six,
7,
seven,
8,
eight,
9,
nine,
and have a. What the number is this?
10.
What the number is number is 11, which is double 1. And what is the number of this? 12. Okay, let's proceed. Who can count from 1 to 12? Me. Okay, Miss Chanel. Okay, please stand up. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yay! Let's proceed. What do you see? What do you see? All over? I love. Yeah. So, clock is which is the clock face, which is the round part with numbers, and hand is shorthand. It shows hours, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And the minute hand is long hand. It shows minutes, which is the counting 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. Okay, very good. So, AM is the morning. What do you do in the morning? Okay, Miss Aileen. Good brush. Yeah, very good. So we have a and what do you do in noon? Oh, correct. What do you do in evening? Okay, okay. Miss Angela, what do you do in noon? Sleep. Sleep? No, okay, it's okay. The sleep, sleep. Yes. So let's proceed. The morning, which is the AM, and the noon and evening, which is PM. Yes. So let's proceed. Uh, I divide you into a group. Each group gets a paper clock. Move the hand to show the time I say. So I have a clock. So when I say 6 o'clock, please move your hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, very good. Okay. The other group, the 3 o'clock. Correct. Very good. So, what time is it? 3 o'clock. Four. Four? Four. Okay. No. Time to ask. What do we use to know the time? What do we use to time? Okay. Yes. Very good. Next is ah, which hand tells the hours? Which hand? Okay, Mister. Which hand tells the hours? Or it's good, but the answer is what? Which hand tells the hour? Which hand tells the hours? Go. Okay. Short or long? So it's short. Okay. Very good. So next is the short hand. Which hand tells the minutes? Okay, sir. Which hand tells the minutes? Correct. use AM, sir? When do we use AM? Saan tayo na? When do we use AM? Saan tayo ginagamit ang AM? During
Morning.
night. Very good! In the morning. When do we use PM? Okay, Angela. When do we use PM? The evening. Yes. Very good. Please clap your hands. Okay, next is time activity. So, please get your paper. The instruction. Look at the time and write what activity you usually do. So, please get your paper. Okay. So, next is this is. So, please write in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes. Okay. 10 minutes. Okay, done?
No.
Not yet? Or done? Done? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. The assignment is draw the 3 claps in your notebook and write what you do at the time. Example, 9 p.m. I go to sleep. 4 p.m. I play with friends. 8 a.m. I go to school. Okay? Please write in 5 minutes. Okay, done? Yes. So, doing the right activity at the right time help us become responsible and punctual. Agree?
Yes.
Okay. Why do we need to use a clock? Okay. The tell time and yes and
To remind us it's already time.
yes. Very good.